Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Willow, you don't know, and I'm back with another video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. In this video I'm cooking Jamaican rice and peas, and I'm going to show you all how I made my salad to go with it. So let's get right into this video. The ingredients I used was red beans, parboiled rice, coconut milk, butter, scallion, thyme, sugar and some salt. First I pour some water into a pot, place it on the stove on high, then I pour the peas into the pot along with some salt. I soaked my peas in some water the night before. This way it is easier to cook. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new, and please watch the entire video. While the peas is cooking, I went ahead and prepared my salad. My salad consists of cabbage and carrots. First, what I did in this process was to grate the carrots and cut the cabbage. I was trying to grate the cabbage as well, as you can see, but the grater is too small. After that, I poured about 2 teaspoons of sugar onto the grated vegetables and mixed together. Don't worry about me using so much sugar. The sugar is not that sweet like the white sugar. After I'm done adding the brown sugar, I place a lid on top of the container with the vegetables and place it into the fridge until I'm finished cooking the rice and peas. When the peas is finished cooking, I added the coconut milk, mixed and allowed it to boil with the peas for about 5 minutes or so. After that, I poured enough water in the pot to cook the rice. Be careful when you are pouring the water because you don't want to pour a lot of water because you don't want your rice to be too soft. Then I wash the rice, pour it into the pot and mix. Rice and peas is Jamaican favorite Sunday dinner. Some Jamaicans feel as if they don't eat rice and peas on Sundays, it doesn't feel like Sunday. Comment down below and let me know how you all like your rice and peas or rice and beans. When you pour the rice into the pot, you need to mix the bottom of the rice properly because the rice will stick to the bottom of the pot and possibly burn. Also, you should add enough salt to your taste. After I poured the rice into the pot, I added the seasoning to it. I added scallion thyme, 2 teaspoons of butter, 1 teaspoon of sugar and some salt. You can add any amount of scallion and thyme if you wish. You can add the rice and beans with just about anything. I add mine with curry chicken, one of my favorite. This is the finished product. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend and your family about Willow's Creation YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you all in the next video. Peace.